Hi, I'm Dr. Tanveer Janjua. I'm a board-certified facial plastic surgeon. I want you to imagine something quickly with me. Imagine Sandy happened, the Sandy big storm, and lights went out. You know, you had to close your business, you had to close your house as well, and you come back to work and you crank up everything, and suddenly you realize there was a surge, and that surge in electricity burned your server. All the data is gone. Patient data is boof, gone in thin air. Guess what? Here I am. It did happen. I had no idea what to do. I immediately called Microwize. They were my managing IT people, and I was obviously all freaked out, but I said, please help me do something. They had to start working on it, and they said, yep, your server is completely gone. Let's see if we can restore the data from the backup. And I was keeping my fingers crossed. Guess what? I got the good news. Steve and Rob worked together and they said, yep, we got it back, and they got it to the last day, every single patient, no data lost. I'm a very picky guy, because being a surgeon, I'm a perfectionist. I want to give good service to my patients. So for me, it has been very critical. I have been with Microwize for at least 10 years, I would say. And they manage my IT stuff, and I couldn't be more pleased. And I can give my full recommendation to Microwize without any hesitation whatsoever. And if you have any questions, please, you know where to find me. Just Google, you'll find my name and call me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions.
Don't compromise. Go Microwize.